The Proace City Verso EV is the smaller MPV sibling to the Proace Verso EV, and Toyota's version of the Stellantis Group compact electric van-based people carrier design already offered by Peugeot, Vauxhall, and Citroen. Let's take a closer look. Perhaps the affordable section of the people carrier MPV market has life left in it after all. We've recently seen rejuvenated versions of the Vauxhall Combo Life, the Peugeot Rifter, and the Citroen Berlingo hit the market. Now Toyota has joined the fray with this car, the Proace City Verso EV. As its name suggests, like its Vauxhall, Peugeot and Citroen Stellantis Group cousins, it's fully electric. And, like these models, it can come in 5 or 7-seat form. Toyota has no history in this segment of the MPV market, which is possibly why, when it introduced the Proace City van in 2018, it didn't then choose to sell us the MPV Verso version of that borrowed Stellantis Group design that it could have offered. As part of the early 2024 Proace City midterm facelift though, Toyota has decided to add this passenger-carrying Verso version to the lineup, mindful no doubt of the pressing need to incorporate more EVs in its model range. If you know anything about the engineering of this product, you won't be expecting it to be any different to drive than its e-Rifter, e-Berlingo, or combo electric Stellantis Group EV cousins, and of course, it isn't. Start up and there's the usual beep, as you get the sign that all is ready to pull away, which you do in the default normal drive mode. The other selectable drive settings are Eco and Power. You'll need the Power mode to unleash the electric motor's full 134 brake horsepower output, though if you drive like that, you will of course get nowhere near the 50 kilowatt-hours battery's WLTP rated best driving range figure, rated up to 213 miles.